Corporate accounting is very important area of the accounting. It is both in both the streams become always as well as MBA classes. Let us study its definition. Corporate accounting is a specialized area within accounting that emphasizes recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transaction, transactions and facts for company. Its goal is to offer correct and transparent financial statements that mirror the overall financial performance and economic role of an organization. Corporate accounting guarantees transparency with the aid of accurately recording and reporting economic transactions, permitting stakeholders to make informed choices. It ensures compliance with accounting standards and rules, selling suitable governance and obligations inside the business agency. It affords essential economic reports and evaluation to guide strategic planning and allocation and performance assessment. It permits perceiving, investigating, and mitigating economic risks, safeguarding the business enterprises' belongings and enhancing resilience against uncertainties. Corporate accounting explained. Corporate accounting encompasses the systematic procedure of recording, summarizing, and speaking monetary statistics of an enterprise to its stakeholders. Organizing from need for a structured economic manipulation, corporate accounting has developed along company practices, regulatory requirements, and technological advancements. Its roots trace back to the emergence of present day trade and the development of double assess bookkeeping in Renaissance era. Luca Pacioli, an Italian mathematician, is credited with formalizing this tool in his seminal painting Summa de Arithmetica in 1494. Since then, corporate accounting has advanced into an advanced discipline shaped by the complexities of commercial enterprise operations. Process. Corporate accounting includes numerous interconnected steps aimed at recording, summarizing, and speaking monetary data about a business. Transaction recording. The procedure starts with the recording of financial transactions, including income, purchases, investments, and costs. This step entails taking pictures of relevant records along with transaction amounts, dates, and descriptions. Journal entries. Recorded transactions are then entered into perfect journals in which every transaction is categorized based on its nature and the account affected. Posting to ledgers. Journal entries are published to respective ledger dates. It includes bills receivable, bills payable, coins, and inventory. This step entails updating men's women's accounting balance to mirror the effect of the recorded transactions. Trial balance. A trial balance is created to confirm the equality of debit and credit. This also ensures the accuracy of the transactions that are published and recorded. Making financial statements. An overview of the agency's usual financial overall performance gives an arrangement of the financial statements. They adjust the trial balance and supplement the earnings statement, balance sheet, and cash debt declaration. External reporting and compliance. Finally, the prepared economic statements are communicated to outside stakeholders, including customers, lenders, and regulatory government in compliance with relevant accounting requirements and regulations. Types. Corporate accounting encompasses numerous sources tailored to meet specific recording needs and regulatory necessities. The number one source consists of financial accounting. This type of accounting specializes in making prepared financial statements for outside stakeholders, collectively with consumers, creditors, and regulatory authorities. It usually follows generally accepted accounting principles for international financial reporting requirements to ensure consistency and comparisons in monetary reporting. Managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is closer to offering inner stakeholders, which include management with applicable monetary facts for decision making and overall performance evaluation. It entails value analysis, budgeting, variance evaluation, and forecasting to aid strategic planning and manipulation inside the business enterprise. Tax accounting. Tax accounting involves the education and submission of tax returns in compliance with relevant legal tax guidelines and policies. It makes a place of knowledge in maximizing tax efficiency, minimizing tax liabilities, and making sure of compliance with tax reporting requirements on the nearby national and federal degrees. Auditing. Auditing involves the independent exam of monetary statistics and a statement to evaluate their accuracy, completeness, and compliance with the accounting necessities and suggestions. It seeks to assure stakeholders regarding the reliability of the economic records provided. Forensic accounting. Forensic accounting involves the research of financial facts and transactions to discover capabilities, fraud, misconduct, or economic irregularity. It utilizes accounting, auditing, and investigative strategies to aid legal lawsuits and remedy financial disputes. Example 1. Imagine a multinational retail corporation, Global Mart, running in diverse international locations. Its company accounting department oversees economic exports across all subsidiaries. For example, while Global Mart expands into a new marketplace, its corporate accounting are liable for setting up accounting structures compliant with neighborhood regulations. They coordinate with neighborhood teams to ensure accurate recording of income, expenses, and taxes. Additionally, for the duration of quarterly reporting, accountants consolidate monetary records from all subsidiaries, analyze performance metrics, and put together complete financial statements for stakeholders and regulatory bodies. Suppose Global Mart launches a sustainability initiative, corporate accountants, music associated fees reveal the impact on profitability and prepare disclosures, highlighting the company's dedication to environmental duty in its annual file. Through diligent company accounting practices, Global Mart continues economic transparency, regulatory compliance, and strategic decision-making abilities throughout its worldwide operations. This importance. Corporate accounting holds enormous importance because of several key reasons. Financial decision making. Accurate and evident monetary data provides the aid of company accounting and permits stakeholders to make informed choices regarding investments, financing, and operational strategies. It lets buyers have a look at the profitability and financial health of the commercial enterprise company in advance rather than committing capital. Access to capital. Well maintained economic information and statements are crucial for agencies looking for financing from lenders or investors. Creditors and investors get confidence from corporate accounting. It is also valuable tool that shows the firm can adequately manage its price range. This enhances the organization's capacity to obtain money at attractive rates. Legal and regulatory compliance. Organizations have to adhere to accounting regulations and recommendations. It ensures adherence to regulatory necessities, minimizing the risk of crook effects and regulatory sanctions. Risk management. Effective company accounting help perceive and mitigate financial dangers. This is along with float shortages, immoderate debt levels, or fraudulent activity. For the organization's financial stability, it provides early signs that allow proactive hazard management strategies. Difference between corporate accounting, public accounting, and financial accounting. Corporate accounting, internal financial management; public accounting, external auditing and advisory; financial accounting, external financial reporting. Audience, management and internal stakeholders. External stakeholders including clients, investors, and regulators. Financial accounting, investors, creditors, regulatory authorities. Objective, provides information for internal decision making, planning, and control. Public accounting offer auditing, tax, and advisory services to external clients. Prepares financial statements in compliance with accounting standards. Regulatory compliance. Corporate accounting, compliance with internal policies and procedures. Public accounting, compliance with professional standards and regulatory requirements. Financial accounting, compliance with generally accepted accounting principles or international financial reporting standards. Corporate accounting, internal financial reporting, budgeting, cost analysis. Public accounting, external audit, tax planning, consulting, and advisory services. Financial accounting, preparation of financial statements, bookkeeping, and compliance. The key goals encompasses making sure of the well-timed and accurate recording of monetary transactions. This also adheres to accounting requirements and necessities and compliance with legal and regulatory necessities. Corporate accounting desires to facilitate decisive decision making by means of presenting relevant and reliable information to diverse stakeholders. This is the in short the corporate accounting. I have given the overview of the corporate accounting. We'll study in detail about corporate accounting